How to watch Netflix together long distance. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So there are several applications or websites from which you can host a watch party. So simply open your preferred browser and then search for watch Netflix together. You will find several options. Simply use this Teleparty website, open it and get the application from here, and using that you will be able to share a Netflix movie with a person living far away from you if they also share the same Netflix account. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.